Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate hop-around-the-world adventure channel. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into the top 10 mind-blowing geography facts about the Philippines that will leave you jumping for joy like a kangaroo in the wild. Ready to bounce into some of the Earth's most incredible natural wonders? Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is the Mden Deep hidden inside the Philippine Trench. Imagine flipping Mount Everest upside down and still having nearly 2 kilometers of water above its peak. That's how deep this abyss plunges. At a staggering 10,540 meters, it's one of the deepest points in the world, deeper than 32 Eiffel Towers stacked end to end. The pressure here is a crushing 1,000 times stronger than at sea level, and only a handful of daring explorers have ever descended into this mysterious darkness just off Mindanao's coast. It's nature's secret underwater kingdom that's as extreme as it gets. Bouncing over to fact number 2, we find the Philippine Rise, also known as Benham Rise. This vast underwater plateau adds an extra 135,000 square kilometers to the country's continental shelf. That's larger than the entire island of Luzon. Bursting with marine life and mineral riches, it's a new frontier for biodiversity and economic potential. At its heart lies Benham Bank, a critical tuna spawning ground teeming with vibrant coral and fish life. It's like discovering a hidden treasure beneath the waves. Next up at number 3 is the Verde Island Passage, famously called the center of marine shorefish biodiversity. Nestled between Batangas and Mindoro, this passage is home to over 1,700 fish species and 300 types of corals in just a 10 by 10 kilometer area. Picture an underwater metropolis bustling with plankton clouds, giant sea turtles, and colorful reefs. A true marine kaleidoscope that's nothing short of extraordinary. Now for number 4, prepare to be enchanted by the Hinatuan Enchanted River in Mindanao. Its electric blue waters glow under sunlight, plunging down 80 feet into mysterious underwater caves that extend at least 87 meters deep. This river defies gravity, with its fresh to brackish water shifts, and holds stories older than the Philippines itself. Swimming here is banned to protect its magic, but just imagining this glowing river feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Fact number 5 takes us to Palawan, a geological marvel that feels like another world. This island isn't just land, it's a microcontinent block torn from the South China Sea millions of years ago. Palawan's sharp limestone ridges and dramatic volcanic history make it a puzzle piece from another planet, one that fits perfectly into the Philippine archipelago. It holds secrets written in stone, telling tales of ancient collisions and fiery transformations. Number 6 will make you jump with surprise. Kamiin Island, a tiny speck in the Bohol Sea, packs 7 volcanoes shoulder to shoulder. One of them, Mount Hibok, erupted violently in 1951, impacting thousands of lives. Hiking this island is like traversing a miniature ring of fire, volcanoes stacked tightly in a pocket-sized paradise. Now that's a volcanic hotspot you don't see every day. Okay, so at lucky number 7, we have a river that totally refuses to follow the rules. The Piig River in Manila. Unlike ordinary rivers that only flow one way, this 25-kilometer tidal estuary actually reverses direction when high tides or storm surges push seawater inland from Manila Bay. It's honestly one of the few rivers in the world that flows both ways, and right through one of the busiest cities on Earth. Engineers even built special hydraulic structures just to keep this fascinating natural phenomenon in check. Number 8 takes us to a lagoon filled with jellyfish that won't sting you. The Bukas Grande Jellyfish Lagoon. These harmless spotted jellies have evolved without stingers because they have no predators here. Swimming among thousands of these gentle creatures is like slipping into another reality, where danger turns into wonder. It's truly a magical place where nature flips the script. Fact number 9 is a powerful reminder that the Philippines is literally living on the edge. The Philippine fault system stretches 1,200 kilometers from northern Luzon all the way to Mindanao. This massive fault line moves sideways, causing earthquakes that reshape the landscape and challenge communities. It's often called the country's invisible backbone, silent but capable of roaring at any moment. And finally, number 10 brings us to an unassuming spot on Marinduque Island, the Luzon Datum Balanakan station. This tiny point is the geodetic heart of the Philippines, anchoring every map and survey across the archipelago. From mountains to cities, every inch of Philippine land traces back to this humble marker that quietly holds the nation together. There you have it, 10 jaw-dropping geography facts about the Philippines that prove this island nation is one wild ride of natural wonders. If your mind is hopping with excitement like our kangaroo mascot already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing travel adventures. Thanks for bouncing along with Traveling Kangaroo today. Follow us on social media for daily doses of wanderlust, and head over to travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive content and travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring and keep hopping forward. Happy travels from your pal at Traveling Kangaroo.